But now, are you still involved in law? Do you use your knowledge and your skills?
That's a great question. And I do. I don't think they call us recovering lawyers. When we transitioned into the business side, I was the general counsel of this company. I was working alongside Mary Lee Blaylock, whom you know. Mary Lee Blaylock was our leader here, and then she transitioned, got a big promotion up to home services. So she asked me in my role as a vice president and a general counsel and kind of running operations for one of our affiliates, if I would step into the role of president. Of course, I gladly accepted. And so I brought along with me my skill and knowledge as an attorney. I don't think you'll ever get rid of that. So as lawyers, we're trained to kind of look around the corner. And so sometimes when we're talking as an executive group and we're identifying some initiatives and some business operations strategy, I do evaluate risk probably more than many leaders do. You have to be careful to not be too risk adverse because you don't want to make 100% decision based on a 5% risk. Sometimes lawyers will talk you out of risk, right? So it's a balancing act, but it's really an amazing combination of skill and knowledge that I think I bring to the table as a leader.
Well, I think it is very adventurous and advantageous for you to have that skill, and to when you deal with your agents and if they are going through a difficult closing, for example, it's not like they have to rush for a legal advice, but just a suggestion and recommendation, and that's when I think you can really come with your skills.
Yes, absolutely. We learn as lawyers to mediate, to conciliate, to negotiate, and all of these things that completely fold into the transactional world in real estate. Plus, we've got 3 full-time lawyers here at Cal Properties.
Which is important.
It is so incredibly important, and they serve our agent base. They are like a 24-hour hotline because real estate never sleeps. People are countering things on the weekends, and when you need help with something that's a potential risk or you need some legal advice, there is somebody in our legal department to help you.
And here they are.
Here they are.
They are available.
Absolutely.